How to step by step to algo trading from 0 to 90? Uh, that's a good question. So probably I think if you're starting from 0, the key things to note here is that algo trading typically would have about 3 major pillars, which the whole algo and quant trading stands on. One is statistics and econometrics, another is financial computing, third one is quant trading, right? So quant trading, or rather trading strategies, if I can say that. So where your knowledge is, if it is zero in all the 3 domains, the first thing would be to learn about it. You can learn in many ways. There are a lot of resources which are out there available, even on the Quantitative website itself. There are a lot of resources which are there freely available. So you start with that and then progress towards the automating. If you're new to trading strategies, then you first learn about them. If you're already a trader but you're looking at automation, then you use some broker API and start automating your strategy. If you're already doing that, in that case you move ahead and you can actually get a medium frequency trading strategy coded on a on a vendor platform. Or if you are a expert programmer yourself, or you have a team of expert programmers, then you can build your own API as well, as in use the exchange API and build your own trading platform as well. You can code your strategies on that. And if everything is well set, and if you're a big institution or a big prop house and you want to venture out into the high frequency domain, then you can even do that. So that's typically 0 to 90. I hope I've covered that.